Hi, this is In My Opinion Crypto, and welcome back to the show. I would like to start this live stream with the market cap. One moment. It's loading right now. Let me just reload TradingView. Okay, let's see if it's working. Okay, let's start with the total market cap. There. I just wanted to point out back in January of 2015, I measured the low from the bear market to the all-time high January 2018. It took 1065 days, same as on the 2021 bull market. um, it's a 1 day longer, 1066 days. So if we'll be measuring that from December 1 2022, 1065 days will be on October of 2025. So it's saying here on this model that the bull market top would be around October of 2025. Because I remembered I showed you a lot of models on my last live stream and I forgot to show this. So most of my models are showing that Bitcoin will top on October or November 2025. And let me also show you this. And okay, the chart on the top is the Federal Reserve balance sheet, and the chart at the bottom is the M2 money supply, the global M2 money supply. So if there will be an increase on the money supply, and if the Feds will be expanding their balance sheet, there will be a lot of money flowing into risk assets like crypto. So the Fed money supply, it needs to break this $7.09 trillion. So right now we're heading downwards. If I'm not mistaken, last week the money supply is pointing up. What else should I be showing you? DXY. Let's go to the monthly. Okay, DXY is at support right now, and we don't want it to go up here and break out. Just check on the weekly. Yeah, looks like it's swing high. We wanted DXY to go down. And VIX, yep, VIX is also slowing down right now. And now let's move on to Bitcoin. Okay, I started my stream back in September 2nd, and I mentioned that it will be an uptrend, and I mentioned that it will be an uptrend until September 23, and then mentioned that last week um, Bitcoin will be retesting this area here. Um, if I'm not mistaken, I said if I'm going to be betting that Bitcoin would be testing 61.3, but it went a little bit lower than that. And now it's October 7. If I'm not mistaken, this will be an uptrend. And it almost broke the 45-degree angle here, but we're this 45 degrees angle. If we fall below 45 degrees, I see more downside, but it will be able to close above this 45-degree angle. Um, Bitcoin should be targeting the 65K level. On this chart, let's go to the monthly. So we need to close above 64.2, and then if we would be able to establish support above 64.2, we would be able to target 67 and 70K and hopefully break out. If we won't be able to hold above 64.2, we might be retesting 61.3 and 58.7. If you're still sidelined, I'm not going to buy Bitcoin above 58.7. I'll buy below this range. So anywhere you buy from this range and Bitcoin pumps, it always goes back to the 64.2 level. So buy at 58.7 below, and you would be able to TP here at 64.2. Each month it does the same way over and over. So that would be a good buy. And let's see. On GAN, I marked the levels here again in red, which are the resistance and support. Bearish scenario will be retesting 62.4, 60.5, 58.2, 55.6, 51.9, and 50.5. Those are the bearish scenario. Bullish scenario would be um, targeting 64.5, 65.8, 67.5, and 71. But let's do it level by level. We need to close above 64,000 first, and then we would be able to target the top of the range. And what else do I have here? If you're just starting out trading, if you will be looking at the daily, let's say the daily, the weekly, it's easier to look at Bitcoin at the monthly time frame than the weekly and the daily right now. So just put it on the line chart and put a trend line like that. And these are your resistance. This is the support. So this is a simple chart of Bitcoin that you can also use. So 64,000, need to close above that. Let's check on Solana. Solana is the same way. This is the monthly chart. So these are your levels. Solana needs to close above 171, and buy area would be around $126, and you can just place a blind order here around $101. Ethereum, I don't want to touch Ethereum right now. Let's see. But to my fib. Ethereum bouncing up 0.382. This is a swing high. This would be our target, $2,730. I like to fib using the line chart because it captures the body only without the wicks. So 270, we are at 0.5. Okay, it needs to hold above this trend line. And the target would be 2,730. And it needs to break this structure first, 2,657. If it won't be able to break that, might bounce back down to retest these levels, 2,472. 2,472 to 2,196 levels. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.